Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today I get to walk you through a fresh boat that just showed up, a 2026 G25 from Nautique. We'll do a brief walkthrough and check out some of my favorite features on here. Starting back here in the stern, this boat has been optioned with steer assist. This is a thruster that allows you to maneuver this boat in tight areas very conveniently and makes docking and getting in and out of those tight areas a lot easier. Stepping on board, we have great transom seating as well as a nice center walkthrough, allowing you to get in and out of the boat without stepping on any seats. JL audio throughout, large bench seats throughout, plenty of room for a larger crew. This boat is rated for 19 people, so you'll be able to bring along the whole crew. Walking up into the bow, this boat has been optioned with the bow filler cushion as well as the armrests, making this a super comfortable spot to hang out. We do have strapless board racks as well as the JL towers on here, making for an excellent audio experience. Come on down to MarineMax Rogers and get a closer look.